Hello everyone, this is a continuation of the previous video presentation. So I was demonstrating the group operation in PIG. So I had written this command. So now what I will do is that with each company I will be displaying the count of how many times the particular company is present in the medicine collection. So here the command is like this. For each B, generate $0 count A dot company. So what it means is that for each row in B, generate $0 will be the company name and count A dot company will give me the count of each company. Here I have used A dot company to get the names of the companies present in A dataset. So I will press enter. Now in order to see what has been saved in C variable, I will use dump C. So now here you can see that J and J has count 1, SII has count 1, Pfizer has count 2, Biotech has count 2, Mankind has count 1. So if you want to verify it by our medicine collection, you can see that J and J has count 1, Biotech has count 2, Pfizer has count 2, Mankind has count 1 and SII has count 1. So this was the group operation. Now I will be showing the join operation. So here what I will be doing is that I would be demonstrating a self join operation where I would be loading the same medicine collection dataset in two different variables and then I would be performing a self join between them. So let me copy them, copy the commands. So here I loaded the first copy of the dataset. Now I am loading the same dataset but in a different variable B. Now I would be writing the self join command. So here I have pasted the command. So here self join is the name of the variable where the data will be stored, and now the command is as follows: join A by company and B by company. So this is a self join written between these two datasets A and B. So let me press enter. Now in order to see what is present in the self join variable, we will use dump self join. Now here you can see that the data is present after performing the self join. So with paracetamol there is paracetamol, with crocin there is crocin, with penicillium there is penicillium, and with penicillium there is BCG. So here the self join has been performed with the company name. So each of the rows has been joined with the other row where the company name is same, as the join was a self join and the join was done on the company name. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.